Well, the bandsaw. What I was looking for was a couple blades, a couple nice blades. So it'd be easier on the bandsaw. The ones I did buy, they didn't last very long. I used them for a couple small projects I was doing in, and they kind of, after they get clogged up a little bit, I call it the wood sticks to them, because you know if your wood's wet a little bit, it's going to stick to it. But um, they just didn't work the way I wanted them to work and fast enough to cut. So I kept looking around. I did find some on Amazon, and I'm for sure you can get them other places. Don't get me wrong on that, but this is made by Timberwolf. I got the paper here. This is the Timberwolf, and pretty decent blade. I mean, but the cost is up a little bit. I think the cost up, but you know, if you're cutting all the time and you're putting out doing projects, stuff like that, it's always good to buy something pretty decent, because all you're doing is, with an old blade, you just make it harder on your machine. You're wearing it down. You can burn the motor up in it. You can actually, you know, it can actually bend. It can break. There's a lot of different things. So you want to make sure you always got a sharp blade for any type of tool. You know, like a table saw or anything like that. You want to make sure you got a pretty good blade in them. Try not to run dull blades if you don't have to. Now I have bought six of these Timberwood blades, and every one of them just fine. I mean, no problem at all. So let me get a piece of hardwood, and I'll cut a piece of hardwood for you. Okay, what I have here is a piece of cherry. I got a marking here, and I think I was using it for a project, but it's been sitting a little bit, and it's got a little bow kind of going through here. So we're just going to use it for this here. So this would be a cherry. See how it cuts. I cut that pretty fast. Now, if you got a pretty big job coming up, where you can really shove some stuff through there to make that cut probably a lot smoother if you buy a different type of blade. But these blades come in different sizes, so it depends on which one you buy. I just didn't care if it was a little bit of a rough cut, because I'll just sand that down. Most of the things I do, I use a sander a lot anyways, you know. So let me get a soft piece here. I got a piece of cedar. Okay, here's a piece of cedar. It's very, very soft. I mean, cedar, you know how cedar is, very light. So we'll try that. Alright, that's your sassafras, right? Or what am I saying, sassafras? That's a piece of cedar, and you can see, I mean, like I said, they are rough because the blade is, but that's okay. A little bit of sand would be nice. So here's two pieces here. So if you're looking for a pretty decent blade, give the Timberwolf a chance. Like I said, they are a little pricey, but for the quality and how fast you can get wood cut, save the engine on your saw or the motor on your saw, I mean, you can't beat the price of a good sharp blade. But if anybody has any you know, names of different types of blades or anything, just leave me in a comment down below. I like to try, you know, I wouldn't mind trying something else, because I know there's a lot of different products out there online we can pick up and see if it can help us more than what we're doing now. So if you got any comments like that, just leave them down below, and I'll get back as soon as I can. And please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.